smallest baggage reclaim. Got to Darwin last night and decided we wanted to try and actually get to Apo Island. So stayed one night there, and now we're currently in a jeepney heading to Malatape, which is where you get the boat to Apo from. And we managed to phone up a place called Liberty Lodge on Apo to make sure they had a room for us. So we're going to go spend a couple of nights there.
Your husband?
Serious.
Boyfriend?
Hello.
Your boyfriend.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, good morning. No, you're taking picture. I am not.
I was taking the picture.
You're beautiful. No, Filipinos are not beautiful.
Oh, they are. They definitely are.
Yes, they are.
So we just stopped because there was coconuts dropping in the road from this massively tall tree. That would have just killed us. Bye bye, nice to meet you. We met this little lady, lovely Filipino lady. But yeah, we were a bit worried that coconuts are going to drop on our head. No more?
No more. Okay.
Quick, make a run for it. Yeah, we survived the coconut. This is what the port at Malatape looks like. It's just a little woman with a desk, signed off the name as you get to the boats. There she is, Apo Island in the distance. That's where we're bound. Eric's on the hunt for some Ninja Turtles. Seen any yet?
No, I gotta look for my Donatello.
Lodge, and those are the rooms that we stayed in the last time I was here 7 years ago. Good times, very good times. Here she goes. Obviously, got it. Yes. Oh, that. Nice. Nice. See you, Ben. shop. I don't know what it's called. Charlie's just about to do her first night dive. How are you feeling?
Yeah, good.
Yeah, looking forward to it?
Yeah.
Where are we going?
To right around here.
Okay.
We're here now. We're gonna go walking from the shore.
Yeah.
Walk in
Straight.
and then just go around here.
Sweet. Let's hope our torches work, unlike mine on the last dive. And then it's the Ding Dong party. The biggest, loudest, craziest party ever. What do you think? You think that's going to be true?
Not sure, no.
Apo Island party. Go put the camera back, but basically they're playing loads of ABBA because the guy who's leaving tonight, Paddy, is Swedish. He doesn't seem too impressed, but the locals are insisting on it anyway, and I'm not going to complain because it's better than the other random music that they keep playing. So ABBA mega mix all the way, in my opinion. Back in Negros, sad times. I didn't want to leave that island. We met these guys though, which is kind of the icing on the cake. You guys going to Dumaguete?
Yeah.
Cool.
Maybe we can take the...
Yeah, the local bus thing, right?
As if we wanted transportation, but I think we can get the GP for 10 pesos each.
Yeah.
I mean, it might be a bit more to Dumaguete, maybe 20, I don't know.
It's okay.
But it's still a lot cheaper than getting
okay.
a car.
Souvenir time.
The guy is doing everything handmade and it's
Oh, nice.
incredible. Like everything handmade.
Yeah, this place looks cool.
Ah, the water, yeah.
Thank you.
It's very important.
Bye.
Thanks.
Morning. So guys, how did you like Apo Island? What's the verdict? It's okay.
Wonderful. Mesmerizing.
Yeah.
Mesmerizing.
Yeah.
Okay, I got a new one.
Nice. And how many turtles do you see? Like
3 days?
a lot of turtles, right?
Oh, the turtles. Oh yeah, so many.
How big were they? Huge.
You saw one like that. I saw one like that. Like,
Bigger than Charlie.
yeah.
We're flying from Cebu to Kuala Lumpur. We have 3 nights in a really swanky hotel. So here's to 54th floor living.